Top 5 unique finds in Ozone Experience Center. Outliner series. The openable outliner series is perfect for shower partition featuring built-in towel bars and hinges. The sliding outliner on the other hand is hinge-free and ideal when you don't have any walls. Premium auto sliding door system. A top-notch option for businesses and shopping malls. These are operated using a PIR sensor which can also be controlled using a remote. You can choose between both the doors movable or one door that's free to move while the other stands strong. Telescopic doors. These user-friendly doors are customizable, allowing you to separate areas like a bedroom from a living room, and for car lovers, you can also park your favorite car inside your room. Watch this video until the end to know about my favorite product, adjustable 3D Inviso hinges. Unlike normal hinges, these are unique and the best-selling product of Ozone. These hinges will give an aesthetic appeal to your doors by hiding the hinges and are also available in 4 striking color options. Discover 3 unique wardrobe hardware systems that combine aesthetic with functionality. Uniline sliding system for a seamless look, hair hinges for hidden quiet door closure, and top glide for sleek, customizable storage solutions in modern bedrooms. And now, it's time to reveal my favorite find. This height adjustable table which is very flexible and can also switch between sitting and standing position by promoting a better posture. Apart from this, they have many hardware solutions for your kitchens, wardrobes and locks. Do drop into the experience center and find your perfect hardware that goes along with the interiors, and do not forget to follow Salman Serves for more such interior innovation.